The ratings of episode 14 of a real series are in the total Lassie stand on 6th number with 4.34 rating and ABC 1 are 3.9 and 4.7 respectively. So there is a big failure for the series because this series airs on Now TV and Now TV cancels those series which get the ratings of 3 and 4. There is a huge drop in rating. Yes, guys, in every rating category, the rating fell by almost 0.70 to 0.90 points. So, this is considered a huge fall, and the ratings directly fell to 3 and 4. So, these are not good ratings at all. Halil series big failure. On the other hand, Saila Turkoglu was happy with the family members and she is having good time with her mother. Saila was happy.